Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Enid from Wednesday, so let's get started. To draw cute Enid in her casual outfit, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about right this wide, and draw another circle. So my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. From there, let's go ahead and spruce them up and put in some lashes right here. So I'm going to come to the sides and just draw two curves. One longer one on the top and then a shorter one. Then let's go up and give her brow. So let's go up about right here and just draw a soft arc over her eye. And same thing on the other side, about right here. Right over her eye, just draw a soft arc. There. Then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So say about right here, we're just going to go ahead and draw a curve that slightly goes upwards and cap it off. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, really close to the lashes, and I'm going to give myself a point on both sides. And then we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U for her face. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to start with my curve close to her eye, and then I'll find my center. So say about right here. Just imagining this curve and her chin area. So from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw this curve to that point, and I'll try to make it a little bit sharper towards the point area. So about right there, angle a little bit more, and same thing over here. So curve and then angle. There. Then from there, give her a sharp little chin. Okay, so then from there, we're just going to imagine this big oval for her face. So I'm just going to say about right here towards the side. I give myself a point, and from here, I'm going to bring a curve down to connect to where we started right here. And then on this side, we're going to go slightly upwards and then come down with a curve to draw her hair. So we're going to come down, and about right here, we're going to curve out. So I should have finished this part off first. So I'm just going to come in here and just finish, bring this up to finish her face. And then right here, we're just going to continue this curve for her hairline. And bring it down, whatever space you have. There. Thicken her brow a little bit. Okay, so then from there, let's come to the side where her hair is parting, and we're just going to draw a slight curved line going up, and then we're going to go up on this side and down on this side. So let's work on this side first. We're going to bring this down. And about right here, we'll start to curve a little bit. And on this side, she has a little clip that she's on her hair. So I'm going to bring this up, come down. So then about right here is where we're going to meet, and I'll just draw this oval shape just to simplify it. And the inside for her clip right there, and then we're going to just pop this out. The curve, and right here as well, just a strand of hair, and same thing here, just to simplify it, strand of hair. Okay, so before we finish the rest of her hair, let's draw her body first. So I'm going to come to the center, about right here and here, And we're just going to give her a little neck and then bring down her shoulders and down. So same thing here. Come down. And then from there, we're just going to come down. She's wearing a sweater. I'll just give myself a point for now, about right here and here, a little bit lower. And we're going to draw a slight angle line out. From there, I'm going to go ahead and bring this back up right here towards this curve and just draw a detail for her sweater. So same thing here. Draw a curve to connect. And then let's come back to the top right here. We're going to give her a collar, and I'll just go ahead and thicken this up for some detail. And then let's bring this sweater down. Here we go, out. Such a cute outfit, right? And so it's a long sweater, so let's say about right here. I'm just going to taper it in a little bit, and then about right here I'm just going to go ahead and connect with a slight wobble. Then let's draw her cute flower skirt. So we come in a little bit, come out with a slight angle for a little skirt, and then about right there I'm just going to go ahead and draw a bunch of curves to connect it. So there's a bunch of flowers detail, but I'm not going to use my Sharpie to draw them because I think it's just too dark and it'll mess everything up. So I'm just going to come right here and just draw some of these big loops. And then when I color it, you can just come in here with some yellows and oranges to blot in some circles for the flowers. Okay, so now that we have that skirt, now to draw her legs. So in the center, so let's say about right here and here and here. Let's work on this side first. So I'm just going to bring in a slight angle line, and I'm going to have her feet kind of pointing inwards a little bit. So slight angle line. I'm going to taper this or smaller on the ankle area. About right there. Let's work on this leg first. So then about right here, I'm going to start to bring it in. Just remember your center. Don't go past your center. And we're just going to curve it a little bit and then out. So this side is a little bit straighter. And then just go ahead and connect. There. So same thing on the other side. You're just going to start to bring in a curve, and then once again bring it in towards her ankle area, and then it's going to straighten out and connect. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw in some details. We're going to come in here first, sole. And then a curve at the top, and I'm just going to simplify this. So see about right here, we're just going to cut it off and draw 2 lines down, and then some curves right there, and then she has a pair of socks, so I'll just cut it off. So same thing on this side. There. Okay, so then now from there, let's go ahead and draw her arms. So once again, we'll have Enid arms behind her back. So let's come down and about, let's see, right here. Let's bring this down at an angle. And about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. And just tuck it in. And you can draw a little crease right here for her sweater. So same thing on the other side. So just kind of make sure your bend is about the same area. So I'll just give myself a point. Come to there, and then we're going to start to angle it in to the same area on the other side. There. So hopefully that looks correct, like her arms would be. And then let's go ahead and finish her cute hair. So we're about right here. I'm just gonna start to curve it in, give it a little strand, and just taper it in. And here we're just gonna go ahead and maybe another strand and just bring it in, just to simplify her hairstyle. And let's see here if we're missing anything. I'll put a heart right here. And when you're coloring, you can just draw these stripes across, these orangey stripes on her pink sweater, and once again the flowers, and just color it in on her skirt. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Enid from Wednesday in her casual outfit. I really hope you love how she turned out. That helped you draw her fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.